Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to fix this issue. Let me show you the error first. Windows could not automatically detect the network proxy setting. So in this video guys, you can apply in Windows 10 and 11 as well. Both are same. So step number 1 is open the proxy setting first. Type here proxy and simply open the proxy setting. And once you open that, you can turn it on again and then turn it off and check if it fixed the issue or not. If not, move on to the next method. Simply open the CMD as admin here, hit yes option when the prompt opens. Now type the command netsh winsock reset and also ipconfig space / flush DNS. Okay, ipconfig space flush DNS. So once you executed both command here, you need to restart your system and check if your issue is solved or not. If not, move on to the next method. In the next method guys, we will reset our network settings. So go to Windows search bar, type there network and simply click on network status and go to scroll down and look for network reset and simply click on reset now and hit yes options. So once you have reset your network setting, all the setting will restore to back their original defaults and it will fix your issue. So I hope guys, after applying these method, your issue should fix now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.